Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today's video is gonna be about paper roses bouquet. It was an order, so I thought to share it with you. These roses are also handmade, which I made out of paper. And yeah, I have already uploaded the tutorial of these roses. You can check, and I will give the link in the description box. First, I will tie the roses together and then will tie it with tissue paper. After that, I took two brown paper, written happy birthday on both. And here I'm using brown paper because I wanted it to look vintage. Tied it like this. After that, taking another paper and fold it. We will need two like this. And we'll also tie it. After tying, take another paper and fold it like this. After folding it, we will take another like this and we'll tie it together. And our bouquet is almost ready. Now I am taking a ribbon, red color ribbon, making a knot with the ribbon, and we'll make a bow. And here you go. We'll see you in the next video. And yeah, if you like my bouquet, then do like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to comment. Bye bye.